As we look at the growing need for cellular or mobile signal coverage indoors, let's start with some basic information. People spend close to 90% of their time indoors, and about 80% of cellular phone use takes place inside a building. Wireless connectivity is widely considered to be the fourth utility, as necessary and expected as access to water, electricity, and gas. Some organizations are starting to rate, report, and/or certify connectivity for places like apartment buildings, commercial office space, and hotels. For individuals, mobile phone use and cellular connectivity isn't just for calling. The top uses for mobile devices are internet search or web browsing, texting, phone calls, listening to music, using social media apps, sharing and sending photos and videos, banking, shopping, GPS for navigation and location-based services, video calls, and payment apps. For businesses, the top benefits of cellular connectivity include increased flexibility and mobility for employees, customers, and vendors. It is estimated that 80% of the global workforce is mobile. Worker and visitor safety, improved efficiency and productivity, enhanced communication and collaboration, increased access to data and analytics, and enhancing customer experiences. To accomplish all we want and need to do, it's clear we need to be connected. For individuals in their home, indoor connectivity via Wi-Fi works and is trusted. But once you move outside a known location to a larger space and/or public location, connecting to Wi-Fi is troublesome. There are security issues associated with public access, and there's the hassle of logging into multiple networks as you move around. Businesses, public services, and schools have issues as well. Maintaining a collection of Wi-Fi access points, especially publicly accessible ones, can put a burden on internal IT resources, people, and hardware, pose a risk to internal data and systems, impact efficiency as employees, vendors, robots, and other devices encounter delays moving from network to network, and delay emergency response if overwhelmed. Bringing cellular coverage to all parts of a building is a great way to accomplish connectivity goals. As part of a complete wireless strategy, public cellular is essential in large or publicly accessible buildings. It allows people and devices to seamlessly connect and stay connected as they go about their business. Bringing public cellular services from all the major carriers into a building takes advantage of the billions of dollars spent by major operators to build a robust macro network that delivers an excellent user experience. This is what Nextivity does. We bring the power of the real cellular network inside the building, offering connectivity in the same way we've come to expect when outside. No logging in, no searching for a window, and no hassle. Devices just work. Now that we understand the human business drivers for indoor cellular coverage, let's look at why this need is growing from the technical side. It's actually fairly simple. Modern materials, as well as natural materials such as brick and stone, block signals. So do mountains, other buildings, and weather conditions. Add in furnishings as well as energy efficiency treatments, and everywhere you turn there is something reflecting, absorbing, or interfering with signal getting from the tower to the interior of a building or parking structure. In this chart, you can see that global efforts to reduce emissions are working. Energy use and emissions are leveling off and dropping as floor area is increasing. A side effect of that energy savings is wireless signal blocking. The more we strive to make buildings energy efficient, the more we need Nextivity in building cellular coverage solutions. Global building floor space is estimated to be over 246 billion square meters and growing, especially in developing areas of the world. In the U.S. alone, there are more than 5.9 million commercial buildings containing more than 96 billion square feet. More than 60% of that space is used for warehouse and storage, retail, offices, and education. That's a lot of space and a lot of people with poor cellular access for the 90% of the time they are indoors. As the world continues to change, Nextivity is changing too, keeping up with network improvements, construction practices, and the evolving needs of humans to deliver seamless wireless connectivity to the places we spend our time. Nextivity, smarter by design.